I believe this video has been very practical and it's one of a kind. It's your man Isma, and I'll be taking you through what forex trading is and how do you open a forex trading account. Very simple, practical, precise, and well affirmative. So get ready for whatsoever that we're going to be looking at in this video. Without any wastage of time, I'll get directly onto practically what we're literally going to be doing. However, we shall also put in our contacts. In any case you happen to find any challenges, don't hesitate to contact us. We'll always be in position to help out. First things first, what you're literally going to do, just as you can see on my PC, on my phone, just make sure you come to your Chrome, that is your browser, and type here FXKampala. When you type FXKampala, click on it. When you click on it, it's definitely going to bring you here. Either click here or here, come to the brokers that we recommend. So when you reach here, click on up here. You come up here and click here. When you click here, come to brokers. When you reach brokers, make sure you follow. Just click here. HFM is the broker. I also share the link below this particular video. If you fail up coming here, then the next thing is now to begin the registration. Now, it's gonna bring here just to test if you're human, and just stick there and then click continue. Once you click here, this is what is going to happen. Make sure that you have your ID with you. That is the original ID. It can be a license, a driver's license, or a passport. Make sure you have this with you on your phone. Definitely, since we are registering, you're going to reach at this particular page where you need to put your email address and the password. Make sure you don't forget the password. Most people forget the password here. Put in your email address or either a phone number, but I recommend an email address, and click continue. When you click continue, definitely they will send a code in your email that you've put. If you've put the right email, the code will definitely come. If it's wrong, then the code will not come. So put the code here and click continue. When you click continue, definitely your account is ready. If the page doesn't redirect us, the link is below. In other words, definitely it's gonna take you directly to the brokerage account that you've just created or registered. But then if it fails, they're telling you there is click on here. So you can either just click here. If it doesn't, if nothing literally happens, so definitely it has to bring you to this particular page. So if it doesn't bring you to this page, rather it will bring you directly to this page. Put in your name the way they are, the phone number. Make sure I put correct information as it is on your national ID, the date of birth. Select US dollar if you want your account to be trading in dollars. If you prefer euro, you can put euro, but I always recommend dollars, and then click continue. When you click continue, definitely your account is created. But then this is not enough. We need to fully create our account that is verified. We can deposit, we can create a live account, and we can withdraw from it. It's the purpose of this particular video. So come here, up here, and click there. When you click here, it's definitely gonna show all this information. So every time you're stuck, you can always come here, okay, and get these options. So you can see deposit, withdraw, transfer, blah 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 blah. Everything is literally now set, but then not verified. That's why it's showing pending. So click here. When you click where there is the word pending, you have to put in now your personal information, because it's the only remaining thing. Definitely our ID or proof of identification you need to upload, such that our account is good for us to start forex trading. So address number one, make sure that you check whatsoever that is behind your national ID. Put it there right away, just as the way it is, from the district to the zone, whatever, okay, whatsoever that is there. Then town, you can put the town there. Province, leave, even this one is optional. Town, you put the town. Province is optional. Zip code, put 256. Then this is Uganda, it will remain. Then scroll down. When you scroll down, fill in all this information. This information is easier. Select anything that you find and click beginner. Click continue. Then reach to this point. Just click continue, okay? To start the verification process. Click I consent to the processing of my personal data. Click continue. When you click continue, select the document. Is it ID? Is it passport? Is it what? Driver's license. Click continue. Choose it and click continue. Then you've reached at this particular point. You're going to select for the front ID to take a clear shot of your national ID. Make sure all the information is visible and clear. Make sure all the edges are within this image that you're taking. So, because when you provide the ID that has no clear info, it's gonna be rejected. So do the same to the first and the second, and then click continue. Definitely, it's gonna tell you that if you take the pictures very well, it will tell you everything is perfect and then good to go, or in the process of verification. So this can take between 5 minutes to 30 minutes for verification, but then don't worry. Just click here and come back for you to begin with the process of creating your live account. Because now you already created an account and everything is simple and precise, just the way it is. So when you click there, it's definitely gonna bring you here. Every time you're stuck, always make sure you come back here. So this will show either approved or still pending or waiting for approval, which is okay. So the next thing is now for you to come on creating a trading account. So just come and click here where there is trading accounts. Click where there is open a live account. So now we are opening a live account. But then before that, they will need to verify your phone number. So you can click on SMS, okay, to get the code. This code, you put it, and definitely your live account is gonna be created. So when it's created, or for it to create, you need to put actually the password. You need to create for it a password. Okay, you need to create for it a password. So create for it a password here. This password is what you will have to put in the trading platform. In our MT5, because after creating this particular trading account, okay, so most of the times you give it the same password, just as the one. Sorry, so many guys are, they're disturbing me, but don't mind about those messages that are popping up. So create a password for this account. You can literally use the same that you use when you're creating your account. Okay, your account. When you're creating your account. Okay, so once you create it and put it there, they will send you a login. This password includes this password. They may not send it. They will tell the one that you have created, the login, server, and the passwords that you will need to put in MT5 for you to start trading, because we don't trade on the brokerage side of it. So we only do deposits and withdrawals there. In case you find any challenges, okay, we'll put our contacts in here, okay, for assistance where is there is need. So download, go to your Google Play Store, Android Play Store, App Store, download MT5, come where there is create new account, okay, because now you've downloaded MT5 and you're linking it with the account you've just created. So once you click there, type in, it will bring this bar, type in HFM, come to this option that has SV, click on it. When you click on it, put on those details, and definitely your account is linked to the trading platform and you've created it. So when you go back, so every time now you want to reach here, just get to your browser and type in HFM, login, put in your email and password. You always come here to deposit, to withdraw, to create more account, and everything to do with trading. I believe this video has been very practical and it's one of a kind. Share it, subscribe, comment where there is need. You can also come at our offices. We can always be in position to help you out. Have a lovely day. Enjoy.